Owning a laundromat and building a laundromat are totally different. This laundromat here I built from scratch if you haven't seen my other video of how it started. The best part about it is seeing people bring in their clothes and smile as to say, wow, this is a clean place. These are my 45-pound Speed Queens. Really nice dryers. These are my top loaders. I figured I'd put in a few top loaders. Just kind of, people are used to using them. So I'm like, you know what, I'll put in some top loaders. These are my Maytags 30-pounders on my left here. About 3 loads they'll take, 2.5 to 3 loads. These are the bulkheads that have all the plumbing in them and the drains. These are my 40-pounders that hold about 3.5 to 4 loads. And these are the Maytag 20s. And then back here are my 65 big washers and my 45-pound dryers. Definitely a learning curve, but very exciting.